Analysis, conflict of interest. That's the module we are interested in currently. We want to analyze what are the conflicts in the problem. Now that we have done our multi-why analysis, we need to proceed on conflict of interest. Now this is a tough one, trying to find out the conflict between customers and manufacturers or service providers, or stakeholders and customers. This is a tough one. I've had difficulties myself learning this, how to do this very well. So we are going to use something that you are very familiar with, and you can use this on a daily basis. There is an industry around conflicts. You should have guessed where I am right now. With that, you will know what is it that we are going to talk about. Movies. Okay, movies have traditionally used conflict on a daily basis. Their modes of survival is dependent on conflicts. So we have watched so many movies in our entire life. We have listened to stories, we have watched web series and whatnot. And it's unbelievable how every movie is constructed upon conflict upon conflict. So we will use movies to explain the idea of conflicts. I find this to be very refreshing and something that we already do and enjoy doing it. So here's a challenge to you. Take up any movie, any web series, any novel, even novels are okay, and look at the central conflict, the character's conflict or the plot's conflict, and try to analyze it from the point of view of two characters or the same character, and see what is it that they want and what is it that is stopping them. This is exactly what we will do in conflict of interest. Okay? We are going to watch a couple of clips. I am going to recommend 2 clips to you which you can watch, and then I will explain to you what the conflict in these are. How do we define that? And we will learn all that, okay, using movies.